Have you noticed that the Twitter app, now known as X, isn't working as it should? In today's tutorial, I will show you an interesting trick that can improve the performance of your Samsung Galaxy phone. Clearing the cache memory of the app can do wonders when it comes to speed and efficiency. In this video, you will learn how to easily and quickly clear the cache memory of the Twitter X app and resolve loading and stability issues. Stay tuned until the end of the video to learn how. So open the settings on your device. Once you're in settings, scroll down, find the apps option and tap on it. Here you can see a list of installed apps. You need to find the X app. You can do this by searching among the other apps, but to save time, tap the search bar in the top right corner to quickly and easily find the X app. In the search bar, type Twitter X, then tap on the app. This will open the app information. Scroll down, then tap on the storage option. Finally, just tap the Clear Cache option in the bottom right corner of the screen to clear the cache memory of the Twitter X app. And that's all you need to do. After you've cleared the cache memory of the Twitter X app, you will notice several positive changes. The app should work faster and more efficiently, and issues like slow loading or freezing should disappear. This simple step can significantly enhance your user experience. I recommend that you periodically repeat this process to maintain optimal app performance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. See you very soon.